So we're going to talk about your front spray bar that is constructed same as your rear spray bar. However, these have shorter spray heads. Keith, can you tell us why those fan heads are shorter in height?
Absolutely. So it's just one simple reason. You use the shorter spray heads in the front so you can pull up the hood and don't have to take off your plumbing. That's pretty much it. All right, so this is the side spray of the truck. This spray head comes in 3 different configurations. This is our thin side spray head. It has a straight opening, 1/4 inch slot, 7 inches long. We also offer 2 other spray heads. They're the duckbill side spray with a 7-inch opening and a 1/4 inch slot, and another one with a 5-inch slot. That gives you a lot more direction with your pattern and how you want to put your water out. This also can be adjusted down here to the ground if you want to flush some streets, or you have to get some water down in a trench, or you're backfilling, or you're importing dirt. So, and then you can adjust it back up, tighten it back up, and you're good to go.